Well, hello there. I'm the old Growler. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. What we do here is we take a look at a can of beer, a bottle of beer, sometimes a wine or a spirit will drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. We take a look at the label, we read everything on the label, we check out the artwork, and we crack it open and see if it meets expectations. First of all beer should be served at the correct temperature, though. Lagers between 37 and 47 degrees Fahrenheit, and ales between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I use a ThermoWorks thermometer for all of our beer tastings. That way we know exactly what the temperature is, and there is a link in the description box below if you are interested. Also, all of our beers are tasted in the same glassware. That way nobody has a leg up when it comes to clarity or aromatics. Also, finally, most folks, they do a tasting, they will look, they will sniff, they will sip, and they will pontificate. Okay, I pontificate as well, but I sip first. Why? Wine expert Fred Dax will explain it all to you. He does a lot better than I do. All right, what do we got today? Today from Half Acre, their Deep Moat. Deep Moat. Now, yeah, I'm looking at that. When I saw that on the shelf, I immediately said, this has got to be hoppy beer. Look at the green on that. Whoa. All right. Deep Moat. What do they say? 16 ounces. It is a Hazy double IPA. Keep beer cold. Government warning. Do not be pregnant and operate heavy machinery. All right, I won't. Okay, brewed and canned by Half Acre Beer Company, Chicago, Illinois. 2023 Half Acre Beer Company, Half Acre Beer, all one word.com. 7.8% alcohol by volume, 16 fluid ounces. Hazy Double India Pale Ale with HBC 1019 and HBC 586. Riwaka and Strata. If that means anything to anybody, let me know. That's HBC 1019, HBC 586. I'm sure they have to do with hops, but I have no idea what to expect as far as the hops go. A double hazy IPA. Well, we're looking at a smoothie with a lot of hops in the flavor and probably a little bit more in the aroma, but I'm looking more for a flavor hop melange. Okay, well, let's crack it open and see if it meets those expectations. Certainly hoppy, though. The look on the label there would sell me on that. Yep. Okay, now I'm gonna. I hate to do this, but when somebody is hazy ones, you gotta, because there's detritus in the bottom that's supposed to be drunk, and they're drunk. It's supposed to be sampled. No floaters so far. I'm a happy man. Yeah, look at that. That's an orange smoothie, but not as grapefruity and thick as you would think. So there's hope there. Okay, not that I am prejudiced. All right. 49 degrees Fahrenheit. So for an ale, it's probably a few degrees, a little bit less than it should be. It's optimal, but it's not bad. It's right on the nose, so to speak. All right, well, it looks like an IPA. Let's see if it tastes like it looks like a hazy IPA. Let's see if it tastes like a hazy IPA. Cheers. Well, you notice I took 2 sips. The reason I did is it's just before noon on a Wednesday here in Brooklyn, and my taste buds, they don't wake up until 2 in the afternoon when I do my usual tastings. So They had to be woke. Well, they're woke now. Let's see what their little olfactory friends have to say. Oh, yeah. All right, that's nice. Green aromatics they are grassy, but also very leafy, very springtime, crumbling up a leaf, fresh. It's just that's that type of freshness that I get out of this. Not quite if a tomato thing, not quite with that much spice to it, but it is a very nice light aromatic. Let's see what the taste buds think about that. They agree. This is a subtle beer, subtle ale. It is an India Pale Ale, yes, but it's an American style with a creaminess, a lushness to this that really does. It is a nice combination. The flavors, the body, wow, this is really something. It's not a bad beer, that's for sure. So does Half Acre Deep Moat Hazy Double IPA. Meet expectations? Certainly does. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. Pass us on to your friends, share us, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.